it's me, Brinley, and today we are going to be drawing a chicken. So first, let's do watermelon and then pick leaves. Legs. Got really fast at drawing now. So here's that chicken, and then we're gonna add the eyes. Mine's gonna be different than the other. So it's gonna be like that. And pause it whenever I go too fast. Then we're gonna add the ground. Just like that, and then we're gonna add some clouds. And a sun. Just like that. And then we're gonna add some grass. Just like this, and then we're gonna add the tractor in the back. So it's gonna be a little bit hard, not that much. So we're gonna add a square like that in the back. Then we're gonna add a line there. Then a huge track just like that. Just like that, and then we're gonna add the seat. Just like this. But we're not done yet. We're gonna add this and the lights. It's just a car but different. And we're gonna put it inside the seat. Then we're gonna add the net. So I didn't want to draw what I usually draw, like person that looks realistic, but I didn't want to draw it now. I wanted to draw like a stick man. And then we're gonna get coloring, so let me pause the video. So I'm done with the picture. It took me a while, but this is the results. And give a shout out for my cousin Aiden, and comment a smiley face if you did. Bye. Like and subscribe.